Hello, everyone. How are we all doing today? It is horrible here. We have had, in the last 2 hours, rain, freezing rain, sun, and snow. So, I guess the old saying goes, if you don't like the weather, just wait a minute. Anyways, I was driving around today, and an ad came on the radio. Now, I don't have radio ad, but I do have the video ad. And we will put it in now.
Have a seat. We have some coffee for you. And I'm just going to take you through it. So, Justin, we know you've always loved Tim's.
Obsessed.
Which is why we're so excited to partner with you to create brand new Timbit flavors.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Brainstorming. Could you imagine if we did a birthday cake waffle Timbit?
Oh my. Yes. I can't even read my writing. It's so good.
Think. Apple, banana.
Apple. No.
Thinking cap. Put on the thinking cap.
Yeah.
Apricot latte.
Yes.
No, that's weird.
Sorry.
Think, just think.
Yeah, get it out.
Sour cream chocolate chip.
Yes.
What if we do a chocolate white fudge?
There it is. Yeah. Now all we need is a name. Timbits by Justin Bieber. No? Justin Bieber's Timbits.
I got it. Tim Biebs.
It's perfect.
Introducing my new Tim Biebs. Birthday cake waffle, sour cream chocolate chip, and chocolate white fudge. Only at Tim's.
So there you go. Can you imagine? Part of my shock, part of my horror, that Tim Hortons and Justin Bieber have now teamed up to create these new Timbits, or as they're calling them, Tim Biebs. Part of me doesn't want to eat a part of Justin Bieber. I think they really could have come up with a better name. But regardless, I couldn't help it. I went and stopped and picked some up. Yeah, I know it's backwards, but this is them. Now, a normal Timbit is 30 cents. These are 50 cents. Are they worth almost being double the price? You know what? I thought I would try it out and find out. Save you the trouble. Is it good or is it garbage? Hey. So, as you saw in the ad, they came out with 3 flavors. Well, in the ad themselves, actually, they came out with the 4 flavors because there was that chocolate banana one that they never actually did. There are 3. So, I'm just opening it up. This is the first time I've actually seen them. So when I was there, I just asked for them. I asked, do they have all the flavors? They said yes, and here we go. So, right off the bat, they look like regular Timbits. They've just sprinkled some stuff on it. So this is the birthday cake waffle combo. Okay, so is it the birthday cake one? I don't think so. No, that's the sour cream chocolate chip one. That's the other thing. They all look the same. So it's their regular sour cream Timbit that they've put some chocolate chips on. If I'd gotten that, or the regular Timbit, the sour cream Timbit, there's absolutely no difference. Can you taste the chocolate? No. You just get a little different texture from the chocolate chip, but it adds 0 flavor to it. So, in the ad, they also talk about the chocolate white fudge. Now, this one excited me until I saw it. This is what the regular ones look like. This is what a regular chocolate Timbit looks like. It's got the glaze and everything. And again, this has a couple of white little bits, just like the other one did. But is it any different? No. It's another chocolate Timbit. Zero difference. So I guess paying double the price is really just marketing, and to pay to have Justin Bieber endorse your product. Now, this is the funny thing, and you see in the ad, he actually supposedly eats one. But a few years ago, he came out and said he was gluten intolerant. So this is one thing he shouldn't be eating. So why he's endorsing a product that he can't eat, just goes to show you money talks. So this is the birthday cake waffle combo. So you're taking a cake and mixing it with a waffle. Let's see. It's their standard birthday cake. Don't get me wrong, they're tasty. There's absolutely zero difference between these and the regular Timbit equivalent. So in other words, I just paid double the price for what I normally get. So just because something's more expensive and being marketed and pushed doesn't mean it's better or different, even in this case. At least I have my Tim's coffee to fall back onto. So in this case, they aren't garbage, but they're... I won't recommend you go out and get these. You want Timbits? Get Timbits. Save your money and don't even bother with these. But while I was out, I also noticed... A couple of weeks ago, we did that video with Hershey's and Reese's, saying how they're getting into everything. Well, much to my dismay, so is Tim's. We have granola bars based on some of their flavors. So, apple fritter, so obviously these are going to be apple granola bars, and double chocolate granola bars. So this is a chocolate granola bar dipped in chocolate. But it's supposed to taste like their donuts. I'm not going to eat a full one of each, but we'll have a bite of each. We'll start with the apple because I love Tim Hortons apple fritters. They're so good. And when they're fresh, even better. Okay. By the smell, by the look, if I put this and a Quaker granola bar or Nature Valley granola bar, and they were all apple flavor, you'd never know the difference. Here's one where you might know the difference. When you get the other two companies, they're soft, like fresh soft. These are brand new products, and they taste like they're past expiry. They're hard when you bite into them. The flavor is like, the apple flavor is an afterthought in this case. Not only that, these were $3 on special for 5 bars. So 60 cents each. I could buy Nature Valley or Quaker bars on sale for $1 a pack. Regular price, $1.50 a pack. So double the price again. Quality? Again, it's not bad. Is it worth twice the price? Hell no. Let's try the chocolate. Hopefully the apple was a fluke and that's why it was hard. But Wow. Check out how thin that thing is. Compared to regular granola bars that you can buy, even the Apple one, it's twice as thick. Why? It's because they have to pay for the chocolate. And it's not even chocolate, because it says a chocolatey coating. Now in Canada, sorry about that, we had a little technical difficulty. In Canada, if something says chocolatey, it's not real chocolate. So, who knows what it's made out of? Let's find out. And granola bars are supposed to be healthy for you. Does it taste like the chocolate Timbit? If it's been sitting out and it's old and stale, yes. Really hard. Not even like the Apple one that was hard on the outside. This is hard all the way through. And it's not supposed to be a hard granola bar. It's a chewy granola bar. Chewy granola bar that just tasted like it was 6 or 7 months old. That was bad. That was bad. And again, the fact that I paid $3 for that, I'm getting less than I did in the Apple ones, but I'm getting an artificial chocolate flavor. Definitely not worth it. Definitely not worth it. So if you're Canadian and you see them, skip it. Go for some of the other brands. If you're on Amazon and you see them, skip, go to something else. Don't even bother. It's a novelty. And this is where I was saying how companies are cross-branding and putting their name on anything. Well, here's a case that ever since Tim Hortons was bought by Burger King, you can now get Tim Hortons soups in the store, chili, their granola bars. I saw cereal. I didn't get that because I didn't want to eat dry cereal on camera. But there's so many things that now have the Tim Hortons name. Soon we're going to have the Tim Hortons napkins sold in your grocery store. And it'll have the logo on it. And it'll be just as thin, if not thinner. And you're going to pay 3 times the price. There was one other thing I picked up. Now, it is not a Tim Hortons thing. It's more Reese's. And it dropped, unfortunately. Where did, oh no, sorry. Just behind me. It was the Apple things that dropped. When I did the Reese's video, I showed some of the people on Discord the picture of all the Reese's products available. And someone asked me about one specific product because they hadn't seen them. So I thought I'd get them. And they are called Reese's Crunchers. And it says that it is milk chocolate with peanut butter. Sorry, milk chocolate with peanut butter clusters. How do you make a cluster out of peanut butter? But anyways, with Rice Crisps. So, I don't know. I buy Reese because I want peanut butter. To me, minus the fact, I know it's hard to tell because of the lights and everything, that this chocolate has bloomed, meaning it's gotten really hot and then they've cooled it down, or it's been frozen and then warmed up improperly. But zero peanut butter smell. Zero peanut butter taste. To me, this is like a crunchy bar. It's chocolate and Rice Krispie squares. Rice Krispie bits. And they're all like smashed up and, like I said, it's bloomed because the chocolate wasn't stored properly. And that leaves like a funny aftertaste in your mouth. So, yet again, just like those King Cups with potato chips inside, Reese, you forgot something. You forgot what you're known for. The peanut butter. Well, that is definitely a garbage. This was $4. Total waste of money. There. So we are done. A quick video, testing a few products. Like I said, when I saw that Bieber thing came out, I had to get it. I had to give it a shot. I was curious. They got my money. I won't get it again. At least not for those. So there we go. I want to thank you all for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a comment. If you didn't, leave me a comment. This is how I find out what you guys like and what kind of videos you want me to do. So give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you all again really soon. Have a great day. Bye.